Must have donuts. Must have donuts. And biscuits. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we are in Dallas, Texas, the Big D, and we are at Hypnotic Donuts. This place has some of the most creative donuts anywhere on the planet. I can't wait to try them. They also have chicken biscuits, not just your everyday ordinary chicken biscuits. They've got some of the most creative and gigantic chicken biscuits anywhere. I just hope they don't hypnotize me and make me buy everything in the store. What makes a hypnotic donut?
I would say is we make everything here in-house, fresh.
Now this is a neat little place. They've got just your regular old everyday donuts, but they have specialty donuts that have to have at least 3 layers of flavor. Now we ordered some and we got us a chicken biscuit. All right guys, we came here to Hypnotic Donuts. There was no way I was coming to this unique donut shop and ordering a glazed donut, a chocolate covered donut. You know, I wasn't gonna get something really simple. No. They have something called the Jenny's Evil Elvis.
Evil Elvis is a glazed donut with peanut butter, bacon, banana, and honey. And that one just blows people away when they see it.
Check this guy out. That thing's got banana, bacon, peanut butter, and honey on top of their fresh made glazed.
All our donuts are made, you know, fresh every morning, and we keep decorating them all day so they're not just sitting out waiting for people to buy them. So I think that's what really sets us apart.
I just want to dive into that. But first, this place is not just a donut shop. No. They have all kinds of chicken biscuits.
I think that's something that keeps people coming back is also our chicken biscuit menu. The Nashville, the gym chicken biscuit is on a donut, so it's the best of both worlds.
Come here and just get a regular old chicken biscuit. You can go down to Chick-fil-A and get that. No. I got the special for today, which is the Duke.
When I come down here to Texas, I was looking for something.
Cheddar jalapeno biscuit, barbecue sauce, onion rings, cheddar, panko chicken, bacon strip, and fresh jalapenos, all on a biscuit. Check this thing out. That thing must weigh 20 pounds. Look at this. I can hide behind that. It's as big as my head. All right, here we go. Let's reveal. When your biscuit is big enough that you've got to cut it in half, that is a gigantic biscuit. Oh my. This biscuit, that's enough chicken for about 4 biscuits. That could be the prettiest thing I've seen forever. Look at the layers. Full from top to bottom. All right, here we go. Guys, that could possibly be the absolute best chicken biscuit I've ever put in my mouth in my entire life. That biscuit is soft and flaky. It's a jalapeno biscuit, a cheese.
My favorite donut right now is probably the top of the morning. It's a dark chocolate filled Long John with Bailey's whipped cream on top and some dark chocolate shavings.
All right, I'm gonna try this chicken by itself. Let's see what this guy looks like. Let's get a good bite of this. Some of this panko crust. That chicken is juicy as it can be. These guys have it going on here.
The Canadian Healthcare is a maple Long John with bacon.
Now. Here we go, guys. Guys, should I pick it up? Or should I fork it? I'm picking it up. We're just going for it. We are going. Oh my word. That is the heaviest donut I think I've ever picked up. That means it has a lot of topping on it. All right, here we go. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, so you got the sweetness of the donut at the bottom. You've got the sweetness of the banana and the sweetness of the honey in the middle. So you got 3 layers of sweetness. Then you've got the layer of the peanut butter in the middle. That peanut butter and the bacon both give it a little bit of salty. So you got a salty, sweet. It's just a combination of flavors that is just, Elvis would be proud. Elvis would be proud.
Yeah, peanut butter, bacon, banana, and honey. It's not for everybody, but you know, the people who really like it, they live by it, they come back for it every week. As I'm sitting here eating this donut that Elvis would be so proud of, I'd like to remind you, everybody, that Elvis is a subscriber to the channel. Thank you. Thank you. And you should be a subscriber to the channel just like Elvis. So click that subscribe button down below. Also, hit the notification bell because you never know when we're going to be in your area, and we don't want you to miss any of our videos. Also, click that like button. It really does help the channel. This thing's called the Duke, named after the John Wayne. But I think John Wayne, being the man he is, I don't know if he could eat this whole thing in one meal.
Well, I'm not empty anymore.
Whew. My wife got a donut as well. She picked this out herself. This is called the Lime de Coco. Lime de Coco. As you can see, it already has a bite out of it. And she said it was so good that I had to taste a bite of it. So here we go with the Lime de Coco. Get a little bit of that topping in there. Oh, wait a minute. Come on. Here we go. Lime de Coco. I have just been magically transported to Key West. That is like key lime pie in donut form. Ooh, that is fresh. I'm gonna rename this thing right here. I'm renaming this to the Flair, the Ric Flair. Woo! And guys, you may think $9 for a chicken biscuit is excessive, but it's really not, because the size of this chicken biscuit, you and 4 of your closest friends could share this thing and all go home full. That's how big this thing is. Not exaggerating. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see ya.